How to trade oil in Forex. At Forex trading, there are many Forex brokers who will give you free demo accounts that have an entire feel of the real platform. The data feed provided to these demo accounts are also based on real market prices. This is so you learn how to operate your actual Forex accounts. A Forex trading demo will only help your trading ability. You are involved in a dummy trading. Many traders sign up for these Forex trading demo accounts and try trading on a huge sum of money. You can also start by opening 2 demo accounts instead of 1. The first could be used for testing and learning purposes. Another demo account should be treated like it is using your real money. Therefore, you should only place high probability trades using this real money account based on your current experience and skill level. Once you open up a Forex trading demo, you are exposed to the various tricks of online trading. You begin to learn the different techniques of investment and trading at the right time. It helps you rectify your past errors without actual losses. A Forex trading demo account helps you sharpen your skills at online Forex trading before you enter into a live trading account. Here you learn on a trial and error basis. Methods on Forex trading and tips will always come along your way. The best Forex trading demo account software from a Forex broker will display the current rates that change along as the market ticks up and down over time. This practice will give you a good idea whether the trading strategy you intend to employ in live trading would have actually worked or not. A Forex trading demo will also give you instructions as to how to go about with the trading. A Forex trading demo assists you in learning, preparing, and progressing by using real money during online trading. Whilst using your demo account, make sure that you use it as seriously and as cautiously as you would have if you would have opened a live account. This will make your demo trading more realistic and train you better. Check out the Forex broker's trading platform and be sure to ascertain whether opening a demo account will give you access to the real platform or not before you even open a demo account, so it could be better than opening a Forex trading demo account that is extremely affordable. It can be considered as one of the sweetest deals for any online trading beginner or inexperienced Forex traders.